Oh, look at the size of that.
Holy, that is huge.
Well, every good flats fishing mission starts with a bit of fresh bait collection, and that's exactly what we're doing right now. Toby's with me today. We're on the flats pumping some nippers, and then we're gonna head over to some shallow sand beds and hopefully drift them back for a whiting. It's a beautiful day. We put the boat in, headed down to this little area, and maybe a handful of baits. Oh, you got one there.
A couple of those ones.
We're 1 or 2 more out, and then we're out of here off fishing. Letting that bait drift back over the flats. And what I love this style of fishing is how simple it is. Starting with the fact that we're out walking, you've got the sand and the water in and around your ankles. I love any time you can go fishing, and that's the case. But in terms of the gear you need, got this shoulder bag. It's awesome from BCF. It just sits on the back of the shoulder out of your way. And in here, my bag of tricks, just got some pliers and some cutters if I need to cut a hook off or de-hook a fish. And then in terms of hooks and sinkers, just got this little bag of hooks here, really small hooks. And I don't mind that because we're keeping a feed today. I'm more than happy for that fish to swallow that hook, so that's them there. And I've just got some weights in here, some sinkers if I need to add or subtract some weight depending on what that tide or that current's doing. And the secret weapon, it's one of these things here. Everyone knows what that is, the bit of PVC pipe. That just sticks in the sand. Your rod goes in there so it's away from the water. You sit back and enjoy fishing the flats. One of the best ways to go fishing, particularly if you're getting the kids involved. Oh. I think I've just had a bite there. They quite often will swim back towards you, so you're not actually sure. You've just got to wind. Yep. Yes. Got him on. It doesn't get any more simple than this style of fishing. And whilst they're small fish, this is really light line, really light gear. And this is exactly how I grew up fishing. And I love every chance I have getting back to it. Check this out. That's a good whiting. It's a good start. I'm gonna get a bait straight back in the water.
Righto, time to rebait here. Really simple, little hook. All it is just pin it once through the tail. Help make sure that barb comes out so he can't get off. Just like that. That just allows him to float down naturally and keep it as natural as possible. Oh, here he is, he's right in here.
You got him on?
Right on the edge of the drop off there.
Oh, they swim at you.
Yeah, whoa. Oh, it's a beauty.
Oh, that's a good whiting.
Great whiting. This little guy, his job's not done after you got your bait. It's a good idea sometimes to create a bit of commotion. Just once you're set up, give it a good few pumps every few minutes. Looks like a stingray flapping around in there, creates a bit of commotion. You might even pump up a yabby or two that floats back and creates pretty much a burley trail.
Oh, look at the size of that.
Holy, that is huge. Big fellas, they're called elbow slappers, and this is why. Look at that. Full length up to the elbow. That is an absolute cracker of a whiting.
Oh, good stuff, mate. That's exactly why we came here. Well, I think that's a wrap. Got a couple awesome whiting for dinner. Toby even snuck off over there and caught himself a nice flathead to add to the plate. And that's been a ripping afternoon. Got some live yabbies, headed out to the sand flats, drifted them back. And anytime you put a plan together and it comes off is a good day. We're out of here. If you haven't done it, this is a good reminder for you to get into BCF, grab a little bit of kit and head out and target whiting on the sand flats. See you next time.